Guys, Shaph Sassy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Shaph, more popularly known as So Sassy, owner and founder of Sassy University, as well as So Sassy Makeup and PMU Studios. So today, Jody and I are going to be doing the intro for this video. So my other best friend Tanya, her birthday was in January 21st. But I did message her late and she was somebody forget her birthday, but when I forget we actually just the day downtown and we couldn't just message her at the time. You know, whenever I want to call her and just have a little, oh, happy birthday, bye, come there, so we don't wait.
And she wasn't here as well, she lived overseas.
So she'd make it worse. She never tried to hear me. But anyways, while she was abroad, I was planning this whole trip, this whole time, planning to surprise her, but she never knew. She still vexed with me. I was like, but she claims that she get over the same day. Anyways, we did a plan was like I was saying, we're gonna surprise her with a birthday present. Usually me, she and Julie always go have excursions or hotel trips. But I tell her, say me and her go somewhere alone, but it's actually going to be me, her, and Jodie as usual. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going on to country next week. When we go there, we're going to go to a hotel. She don't know that we're going to a hotel, we just tell her to make sure she prepare our body for the hike, like prepare mentally for hikes. So we're going to be going on some excursions as well. And we're going to be doing 2 excursions, maybe 1. We don't know yet. But one of the excursions is going to be in Negril. So the hotel is in Ochi, right?
Yeah, Runaway Bay.
Runaway Bay. So
what? I'm talking to Lamoya.
Anyways, make Lamaya wait.
I don't know, whatever.
But so we're going on the Friday, and then Saturday we're going to be going to Hanover Day. I think Hanover Day. And then we're going to go back to the hotel, and then the Sunday when we leave, we're going to do another excursion. So that's pretty cool. I'm trying to make sure that she come prepared to take pictures and the tasty. Oh, that's really good. So that's it. Judy looks so nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, you look really nice. So yeah, that's it. We just want to start the video here. So the next clip is going to be us on the way to the venue. And then
the venue?
Yeah, so Jody is going to be coming down separately from us. And me and Tanya I drive alone in the morning, go down. And that's going to make her even more relieved that it's just going to be me and her alone.
Yeah, because I won't be there and she knows me not do the driving thing.
Right.
So we have something planned up her sleeve.
Yeah, so she really don't know that all of this is going on. So I'm excited about that. Right?
I'm excited too.
Yeah.
So it's our first time actually pulling off a surprise.
I hope I have. Honestly, I've been
she always a try gateway, like OMG, she have a problem,
I'm just excited. Too much. And I can't remember that it's a surprise. The other day I was on the phone with her, right? And you don't know, so the girl.
Oh, you can't say do her laugh.
So I said, my girl, I forget to come to you.
I
trying to make
can't
an appointment. Yeah, but I tried to make an appointment. I did book out and whatever. And I said, Tracy, should I make this appointment from a long time, you know? And she's like, well, at least you know, I say, yes, girl, I do Jody like she do. I said, Jody, I come. She said, Jody, I come. I said, no, Jody, I come. I said, Jody, I want to date with a little spooks or I want to go friend or whatever. She said, oh, I'm there, I try to talk about the spooks. No spooks, you know about. I try to talk about some date which she have and make it look like she had pretty up for the last date, for the date. Some have to try to play it out because everybody we keep on I say we, but I'm me and she, but she must figure say me and she, so I always I say we.
She just always give her the thing. She come and chat. I can't wait for next week. I'm like,
just get touch.
From a lash class. I just want some on her face.
Oh my god. Like I'm done. We'll be fine though. We'll be fine. I think I can hold them out until next week.
Yeah, because I won't come around until I'm gonna come around next week.
Just pray I don't.
Just don't give it choice.
This is so hard. This is so hard.
Just we're almost there.
Yeah.
We're almost there, and we're taking you guys along with us. It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be so fun.
It's gonna be lit because guess what? Even when I'm gonna hotel, they're gonna have other stuff to do. We're gonna have stuff planned. So we're gonna hotel, show the things that this is alone, and then we're gonna say, okay, today we have something planned. So we're not gonna give her the other surprise until the day, like the morning, like get dressed. So in the morning when we get up, we're gonna say, okay, so get dressed. We have something planned for the day. You're gonna have breakfast, and then you're gonna get back to your room, pack a little bag, and dress in some dirty clothes because we're gonna get our ass dirty.
Yeah, we're gonna go.
Something like that.
We're gonna do dirt bike riding as well as there's a big swing.
Yeah, that's a height thingy.
Yeah, look for the height, for any animal. So make sure we know the animal parts are gonna be freak out so much. So we definitely say, alright, make we do that. So the height thing, we definitely want to do that. I wanted to do the zip lining, but I think the swing is more adventurous and different. So I said, alright, maybe we don't want to do it.
And the thing about it, she gets a proper message before, like her invitation was cool. So in the invitation, we can probably show her the invitation.
Yeah, we can show.
Yeah, in the invitation, she get clues, but she still don't know what it entails, you know. But she would be packing stuff based on the clues that we sent her.
Yeah, because we tell her to wear clothes that you're okay with getting dirty and rough.
Yeah, but guys, we're gonna show you how spontaneous we can get and how well we can plan together. Trust me, when we go in a night thinking shoes and
guys, we got this stuff from Gustazo. So always make sure we get it from Gustazo.
Period. Listen, we are gonna be Gustazo, babe. When they call him Tete or whatever that name, yeah, because we've been grabbing those Gustazo deal. People actually reach out to me all the time and ask, you know, where you get these deals, and so that's a good thing. We're gonna continue using Gustazo because we also got some points. And guys, we already get a discount, you know, and when we are cash out, we see that we have points can make it even cheaper. So we're grateful for that, and we're always for trips and adventures, and we're gonna always use Gustazo. So
maybe we should see if we find any more in that.
Yeah, we can probably look for some adventure stuff in Gustazo, don't we?
See you in the next clip.
Ta-da!
We're on the phone now.
Hi, Melissa. Good day. I was actually transferred to you regarding birthday specials. Like, we have a reservation for next weekend, and it's my friend's birthday. So I want to know if you guys do like notice on the door, like a banner or something, or some balloons. I want to know how we could get something like that.
I can go ahead and give a banner.
On the door?
Yeah.
That's a free.
Give me a banner on the door and a slice of cake.
Okay, and is that at a cost?
No, not okay.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate that.
Slice of cake, but I need to know the name on the reservation.
Alright.
What time do your restaurants close?
Alright, so the main buffet closes at 9:30.
Thank you, Mel.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Same to you.
too.
Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Alright.
Who messaged me?
Alright, so
That was good.
yeah, them answer the phone quick though. Whenever they
Them
expect
answered very quick and they were really good. Remember the lady said it was a cost to get those stuff, but she said she'll do it for us. So that was
that festive. That's nice.
And she even put the restaurant for it from now.
Yeah.
One for Saturday, so it's Friday. But I think we said 8 for Saturday because we need to bust our ass to come back up for the 8 p.m. reservation.
Wow, that's gonna be cutting it very close.
But now we can.
We should have some earlier. Because we called our the place that we're going to be going to for Saturday night, and them said the only reservation that them have for us to go there is 4 o'clock, and that's in Hanover. That's in where? Negri? Hanover.
It's a good drive. But we've already been in Central. It's not like we're coming from Kingston.
Yeah. That's kind of far still, but how much hours do you think we can go?
Google Maps and see.
Alright, so that's it, guys.
We're prepping.
Yeah, this is like a week before?
Yeah, this is the Saturday before.
We want to see if we can get there before so we can start right. But if them end up at start late.
Exactly.
We would
So we
want
can
that.
squeeze in and tell them so we need to get back to something else.
So that would be perfect. So we're preparing. So I would need to know when we go into those days.
And put our
And put our
clothes.
clothes. And we'll be on time for 8 p.m. You know.
So Sunday when we're leaving.
Sunday is going to be so festive.
We're
gonna make her feel like so we're going home. No, but that's not gonna that's gonna be just go.
No man, so we're gonna say, alright, get ready to leave, but we'll be making one more
One
stop.
more stop. No sneaker, no
You gotta
slipper.
wear some sneakers.
Yeah.
No skirts, no dress.
I'm so excited. This guy's swear we forget our birthday. Swear. I'm so happy. Anyways, yes guys.
I just said I got have fun. Why you think you won't be able to drink?
No, I won't be able to do that.
Alright, you want us to get drinks on the way? I can probably talk to the property manager.
Top of the morning to you guys. So today is the day. Jody stopped by the shop yesterday. My skin looks beautiful actually. I moisturized this morning. Ooh. Oh my gosh guys, my hair has been giving me the heebie-jeebies. I don't know if y'all can see that string, but I don't know, the girl ended up I use black thread
I mean, I don't know, I guess she wasn't really expecting to use to be putting in blonde hair. But me and Tanya go fix it when we go to the hotel. She had tried to fix it last night after I do her lash. But we just say we go do it when we reach. I didn't get a chance to do my nails. So that's what I'm on my way to do now. All she's gonna really do is file down my nails for me and polish them. So I spoke to Tanya this morning and she said, you know, should I get ready and whatever. So yeah, and I'm planning to get her a rose. I told her I was going to stop to get something. So I think us leaving us out at about 12 o'clock should give us enough time to have her get ready, I mean, and yeah, get to the location and thing afterwards. Alright guys, so I got my nails done. I mean, they're not perfect, but I'm gonna have to file them down and thing. Got Sister Rose. Okay guys, so I went ahead and got coffee for Tanya. She liked the one, well, she asked for the one with the whipped cream. Me don't really like the one with the whipped cream at all. So yeah, I can't wait for her to fix this hair for me because it's so cute. And then already saw ruffles. Girl will fix it. Girl, that's not. I'm gonna check at Price Right because I've been saying that. I'm gonna check at Price Right to see if YouTube drop off my nail. Hi, good day. Any mail here for Shaph Hilton? Alright, so she's going through. Pray she find it. Hi, I'm back. Not good. I'm not blaming Panano, but boy, up to now the little meal can't reach it. I did. Oh my god. Everything up for mommy and daddy. Tired now. Oh my god! Guys! Oh my god! Thank you! Oh my god! Oh my god, yes! Oh, I'm gonna cry! I'm not on live. I'm oh god. That's it. Bye. Oh, thank you. Very, very Woo! Yes! Guys, you know all lang na with pandalita from YouTube, from AdSense. Oh my. Yes, yes, yes. 18th of December 2020. Can you imagine it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, thank you, Jesus. Oh Lord. It's a good thing Mr. Mega stop. Oh my god. Yes, yes. As we reach at the hotel, Mega type in this pin. You know how long me wait for my pin? Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you, Lord. Guys, it's here. It's here. It's so freaking here. Whew. Oh, this is so beautiful. Guys, you have no idea how long I've been. I got monetized from 2020 in I think June, and I'm just getting this. It's crazy. This weekend is gonna be a good weekend. Oh my god! Wow. All right, we reach. Tanya and our good gals. Look, our friend. No, girl. Your body never offer so good. Then Tanya want me to come out, sir. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you proposing? What does this mean?
Listen, when you get monetized, YouTube send you a letter, and the letter have a code in it that you're supposed to request, so you can confirm your address.
Okay.
And when you confirm your address, after that you start getting paid, as long as you reach a threshold of $100 per month or something like that.
Which I think you have.
I'm almost at the threshold, but it stopped because them demonetized the video because I don't put in the pin. But them demonetized all of my videos. Yes.
Okay.
So all of the videos them that I've been uploading since January, I must say December or something like that. Them they can't monetize if somebody watch them or the ones that have been upload. So
I think you have logged on your phone?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey guys.
So when you put in this pin now in a YouTube AdSense, then we can start monetize back my video them, and then it will reach a threshold for $100, and then after that we can collect money.
Right there, right there.
Right, that's
a girl.
Right, that's far. All right, goodie. Come on, you are your music.
You better get enough views on this.
Yeah.
Video.
Yo, our video did so well last year. On your birthday.
Oh,
your birthday video. But it just
mine?
it couldn't monetize. It couldn't monetize.
The Miami one where you got dumpster dive?
Couldn't monetize that one there because it just couldn't monetize because
you never get the pin.
No, the whole heap of music were in it and the nudity. Remember when they go up on the strip?
Oh, but the guy
did a strip. I think it's a woman though. It's definitely a woman. Yeah.
Woman, she can move her breasts up?
Yeah. No. Our brain cells
are we gonna move like this is where
this was the location.
Yeah.
Seriously, Sunny is like, why am I doing all of this?
No, I'm just saying like why are you gonna propose? Like,
what if I propose?
Are you gonna get a best friend proposal or something?
Bitch, you already my best friend. How does that work?
BFF forever say give me a promise ring.
Almost that would be cute.
This is so nice.
I'm happy you're enjoying it so far. Can you imagine when you see what we're gonna be doing over the weekend? It's gonna be so fun. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be lit.
I have no idea what I'm doing. So I don't know.
Let the birthday festivities begin. At the location. Not excited.
You passed the left turn.
No. What? Can you let me go? So, tell your ass where we going. I don't need to tell you anywhere. When we're at the turn, you're going to know where we're going.
So why you take a left?
I just spun around because I was on the phone and you were on the phone. So I want to get your full expression.
You don't want to have much of an expression. I'm internal. A Jewel's where I go?
Yeah, we're going to
I have never been to Jewel's.
That's awesome. Neither have I. So,
that's how you did it. It's Hilton you got.
No, I went to Jewel's Grand. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Hope everything's good.
Actually seen the what's itself?
I know. But it looks
see
good.
it.
It looks nice online.
Okay.
They might develop something right there. So property looks nice so far. It looks like a nice little apartment. I think
Yeah,
so.
it looks like an apartment complete. That's it. To be
I
honest.
think that's what it. I think it's. No, it's not.
See to the right.
I know it.
Eh?
It looks nice though.
So wait there. Say go continue.
Them lava.
It looks nice too on the sides. Nice. What about today?
I don't know. I think that takes a long.
See the right there so.
Oh my god.
See the knee?
Very.
Also where the yellow part was.
Look like apartment, see? Well, over
Look
there.
like little huts.
Yeah. Okay, but hi. Good day, Marcel. Shaph, what you come? Oh, we're right on time too. It's after 3, right?
Yeah.
3:06. That's crazy. See my name? Yeah. Oh, you look for me so far. The security guard is. Oh, okay. Thank you. Whoa, Fimi Island Taboom. The property is nice. It's okay.
Kaboom the man say.
No, I'm in
She
no girl.
okay.
We just saw inside.
It's really pretty.
Yeah, it looks nice. Okay. Oh, my temperature. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, thanks. I had asked for her to wait name to the car. I really want for her to do that so I can get to ask them about the signs on the door and just to ensure that everything is good. Property looks nice so far. I'll show you guys how that looks in a while, but right now I need to focus on getting birthday the happy birthday thing on the room door. So yeah. Saw the request? Yeah. Hey Tanya, just sit down over there so please. Them ask for space. Slice. Okay, a slice of cake. It says happy birthday and a banner on the door. Pity she don't know what to say. I joke the rude that. Is there a birthday girl here?
Hello there.
Hi. Yes.
So this is our dirty ass room. Sorry guys, we should have done this
Before we sprawl up and get well comfortable. So this is their what laundry room like
closets area. So I have big enough closet to store the luggage.
Oh, they also gave us an umbrella.
Ooh.
That's
And
cute.
the iron,
Yeah.
and raffle and clothes and stuff.
Right.
So here we have
Front desk. You know front desk, girl. Front.
outside a bar.
It's a. I could check. Definitely. Yeah.
Bar area.
Checking that fridge. Checking that fridge, girl. Ooh. We are so extra.
Yeah, my friend will expect.
Ooh. Yeah, so this is the little mini bar area. TV, we will sprawl off all of the things them there already. Them have this.
What's that? King size bed.
This
I'm
is
a
a king
rose
size. This is
area.
not a king size bed.
Not a king?
No, this is a
Queen?
queen. I think this is a queen
It's a
size.
queen bed. I think this is a king.
It's look
Or
queen.
maybe a double. Is that like 2 double beds put together? But 2 double beds in a queen? No.
Yeah, 2 double bed is a full.
Maybe it's a
Anyways, it don't
whatever
matter.
bed this
Life
is,
goes on.
Rose.
Yes.
My friend, come out. Okay, come out.
And that's a chair right there. And this is good girl birthday. Ooh, is that a shell? That is definitely a shell.
Joel.
Wow, okay, that's nice. Yeah.
And the bathroom.
And then we have the bathroom. Ooh, I like the bathroom the most. What to everywhere else.
Alright.
Love that for Joel's. Ooh.
We got the sanitizer here, which I love.
Yes, I love that
We got
too.
the sanitizing wipes.
Yeah.
All the things that should have probably given us like a antibacterial soap to wash our hands.
But that's a shower gel, that's a lotion, shower cap, and hand soap. Towel, and the shower is really nice. Ooh. Shampoo, conditioner, the regular stuff. All right, and then we have outside. It's beautiful outside. Tell me what kind of flavor it is.
Come we ever eat it together, I cut it in half.
Hope it tastes
More than
nice.
likely it's chocolate.
I hope it tastes good. Tell me if it's good. Tanya, you're so bougie and so extra. Like, do you really need the knife? It's good. Regular.
It have a Christmas cake consistency,
Ooh.
but it's chocolate.
Oh. It's
Soft and gooey. Oh. I don't know how to describe it.
it's nice. It's not
It's
bad.
nice, you know. I never say it's not nice. It's chocolate. I love chocolate.
Yeah, but you're not gonna eat no more of that cow. I never eat anything like
You
that.
like chocolate?
I never eat pastries like that.
So what would you eat now?
I want to put it in the code on YouTube.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we are headed out. The girls are looking banging. I better not pop my ass out here because you know how long I don't wear heels. So girl is out here looking all bomb. You look so good. Oh god. Okay. Girl, I glisten also. Ooh. Turn on the light.
No, the makeup probably.
No, it looks nice. You look gorgeous. Ooh. Ooh, I definitely have this salad. Sour sop vinaigrette. Pork spare ribs. This sounds good. Jerk tofu, no sir. Not a steak lover. Banana garlic, no.
It's not overpowering, so you just so flavor.
Is that your favorite? The spare ribs come with the bowl.
Yes, it is.
The coffee, could I get this steak? I want it well done. I mean, I don't want it runny, so you can let me know what medium. What's
Guys, so I'm walking to the page at the front. Hi, question. So my friend doesn't know that my other friend is here, and we're doing a surprise for her, and I was wondering if we could reserve a table for 4 instead of 2, because she's gonna be a surprise. No, don't move us yet. It's gonna look suspicious. Move it when she comes. Okay. Yeah. All right. Thanks.
Is this a video?
No. So Tanya, how are you enjoying your trip?
It's good. So
Is
far.
it?
It is.
That's
Really
awesome.
good. So we're here at dinner. Just had the chicken and vegetable soup. It was okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going good so far. I like the room is okay. The food is okay so far. Let me try the drinks. Are we gonna cheers?
No, not yet. I want to finish
So we'll give a
finish this first. Yeah.
once we finished. Once we finish pretty much dinner. And then we're gonna see what the entertainment is like. We're gonna take some photos.
Menu.
So far, I don't know what the heck to expect, so I have no expectations.
You really don't know what to expect because you have a surprise coming tonight.
Are you proposing? The magazine happy birthday?
No, that's basic, girl.
But I don't really like it.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine.
Alright, let's see.
You're gonna enjoy it. This sauce is really nice though.
The broth.
Whatever. Same difference. So I want to see your reaction when you see Jody coming right now. Yes, we are.
Oh my gosh, I'm done with it.
Girl.
It's a surprise.
We pulled it off. We really pulled it off.
Hello, and here
This is a surprise.
I'm happy you're surprised.
Wait, couldn't tell them that you want to see it.
We couldn't tell them that we want to. Yeah, so I told her that we're gonna move to that table.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna move to that table. We couldn't tell them. So we had to do it. We had to turn up. I was gonna. I'm happy you're surprised. All right, great. We're surprised. No, we're gonna move. We're definitely gonna move. There were so many times that I almost.
I was definitely surprised.
I'm happy about that.
I saw Jody yesterday.
I know, but we didn't even talk about it or not like that. So.
But yeah,
And also, there were so many times when we end up at Super Hotel and Jody and Poma. Did you realize?
No, I never.
You remember when we tell us, after the lash, Jody do our lash?
Yeah, yes, Julia, that's why you don't say Julia.
Yeah, but so you said to yourself, girl, after the lash, right? But we never tell her stay. She had come for the day. We said to yourself, girl, after the lash because Jody do our lash. And I was like, shit.
And they said, Jody,
And they said, Jody come too? Yeah. And then I was like, no, we just chat later. Oh my god. But yeah, it all worked out. I'm very happy. The lady at the desk was so loud. She's like, so you're here with your... I said, yes, miss, take your time and talk. Hello, it's a surprise. I'll take the time and talk.
Before me even said out loud, it's a surprise. And you know, nothing, you know. So we go up now and I'm gonna say, so the reason why I can't take the upgrade is because my friends are here.
Okay,
If you are giving
Yeah,
you are giving me the upgrade.
because it said free upgrade and Gustazos.
So I'm gonna say, if you're giving me the upgrade, my friends would need the upgrade because we're next door to each other.
Right.
Here, no? Your friends are here. I'm gonna say, this.
Jesus
I'm
Christ.
say, he said, yeah.
Jesus. And I said, no, miss, I'm not ready yet. Wait till other home. And she said, okay, alright, no problem. Because it would have looked away if we didn't move before.
You want to
before.
not pick up, sorry. Would pick up.
That's awesome.
I said, oh, alright, bigger table.
What I could have said is bigger table because we're going to try more food. You need to get the pose from a friend and now. Get the pose, get the pose. But did like the pose a while ago, Tanya. They look nice. Me? Alright, sure.
What's that? Instagram?
No? YouTube.
Alright. YouTube should still come back.
Alright.